Vande Mataram friends, let's discuss today about the degree of comparison and the main topic, that is the most IMP topic. Definitely it will be asked in your exam, and today we are going to learn the degree of comparison of plural. In first or second video we already discussed about the degree of comparison as a singular and as a SOS. Okay, this is the last topic of comparison, and please remember that this is very important topic for both the standard 11th and 12th science English medium. Okay, so my dear friends, interchange of degrees of comparison. Today we are going to learn about the plural. Now see that first of all the structure. SD means superlative degree, CD means comparative degrees, and PD means positive degree. So I have written here the structure of the sentence. So one by one we go further. First of all, in superlative degree, subject plus verb plus, that is the most important key, one of the. So we are going to make the sentence of one of the in superlative degree. After that, as the superlative degree, then plural noun. For example, subject means Milton was one of the. Milton was one of the greatest poets of England. So my dear friend, suppose this kind of sentence is given in your exam. First of all, let's discuss that. Here Milton, what was the Milton? We all know that he was poet. So here one of the is given, that is why plural noun is here. Okay, suppose one of is not given here, at that time that is singular noun. So you have to keep in mind that suppose the plural is given, one of the is there, then definitely it will be the plural noun. So one of the greatest poets. Okay, now we are going to make comparative degree. That's how to interchange into comparative degree. So first of all, subject, verb, comparative degree, then most other या many other. You can write either of them. After that, plural noun. So first of all, Milton is given here. So Milton was one of the greatest. So what is the adjective of superlative degree? Greatest. So we remove one of the and write it down the comparative degree of greatest. So what is the comparative degree of greatest? Greater. Very good. So Milton was greater than most other. All of you have idea that when we are going to make singular, at that time we write here greater than any other. But here one of the is given, that is why we write that Milton was greater than most other. Yeah, greater than many other poets. The same thing, poets of England. Okay, so we change here only this thing. Okay, greater than most other, yeah, many other. So when you are going to make comparative degree, at that time you remove one of the. Okay, so all of you understood how to make superlative degree, how to make comparative degree. Now we are going to make positive degree. So first of all, remind it, in singular we write here no other singular verb, so as. So here that is the plural form. So we are going to write first of all very few. So very few, the last words, poets of England. So very few other poets, other words of England. Okay, very few poets of England. Here poets is given, that is why we write plural form were. Okay, because this sentence is about past tense, was. So that is the plural form of past tense, that is why we write here were. So very few poets of England were as, what is the positive degree of greater? Great. So as great as Milton. Okay, that is the correct answer. Very few poets of England were as great as Milton. So my dear friend, structure is very important. If you remember, if you keep in mind the structure, then it is very easy for you to make the sentences in board exam. Okay, now these are the exercise. I have written here superlative degree, that is one of the and one of the. Now we are going to make first comparative degree, after that superlative degree. So my dear friend, the first sentence is Japan is one of the richest countries. So what is Japan? That is country. Chennai is one of the biggest towns of India. So what is Chennai? That is town. That is plural form. Ashok is one of the best students. So what is Ashok? That is students. Okay. Japan country, Chennai town, Ashok students. Now we make comparative degree. So first of all, Japan is one of the richest. So first of all, when we make comparative degree, first of all write it down. Japan is, remove one of the. After that, richest, the comparative degree of richest, richer. Japan is richer than most other countries. That is the comparative degree. Yeah, you can write that Japan is richer than many other countries. Yeah, you can write Japan is richer than most other countries. Now we convert into positive degree. So when we make positive degree, first of all, what we write here? Very few. Very good. Very few. What is Japan? Countries. So very few countries. So now see that countries, that is plural form. That is why we write here are as rich as Japan. So my dear friend, here you can see that as rich as. So very few countries are as rich as Japan. So my dear friend, please concentrate here about the plural form of verb. Okay, don't forget to write it down here, plural form. Next, Chennai is one of the biggest towns of India. So that is superlative degree. We are going to mark CD, that is comparative degree. So Chennai is one of the, remove, Chennai is बिगेस्ट का क्या होगा, बिगर, चेन्नई इज बिगर देन मोस्ट अदर टाउन्स ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, चेन्नई इज बिगर देन मोस्ट अदर टाउन्स ऑफ इंडिया. नाउ वी मेक positive degree. So first of all, what we write here? Very few. Very good. So very few. Now what is Chennai? Town. So town of India. So very few towns of India. Now see that town is given. So plural form is are. Okay. So very few towns of India are as big as Chennai. As big as Chennai. Okay, understood? Next, Ashok is one of the best students of my college. So first of all, we write comparative degree. So Ashok is one of, remove one of the, what is the comparative? Best, good, better, best. So Ashok is better than, Ashok is better than most other students of my college, that is the comparative degree. Now positive degree. First of all, what we write here? To make positive degree, no other, yeah, very few. Why? Because that is the plural form, one of the students. So what is Ashok? Student. So very few students of my college are. Why we write here are? Because students are given. So very few students of my college are as good, better, best. So as good as Ashok. Okay, so we can make this kind of sentences, but mind well, we have to only change whatever given in the bracket. Suppose change into comparative degree, at that time you change in comparative degree. Suppose it will be asked that change into positive degree, at that time you have to write it down positive degree. Understood? Now my dear friend, just write it down the sentences in your notebook and don't forget to take screenshot. So my dear friend, now my dear friends, now we already discussed about the plural of positive way. Now we learn that negative and plural. Now when the negative sentence is given there, so it is the different from positive sentence. So here the structure is given, subject plus verb plus not plus one of the plus plural noun plus other words. So my dear friends, you can see here that the no is given. Next, subject plus verb plus not plus comparative degree plus then plus some other. We have add here some other. Okay, not more than, many other or most other. When the sentence is negative, at that time we write some other. But my dear friends, here we already learned that suppose singular, so we use no other, so is plural, very few, as is. But negative, so some, only some, are as. Okay, let's see the example. The first sentence is, the rat is not one of the biggest animals. So here, now we are going to change into comparative degree. So first of all, rat is not. So the rat is not. We remove the same thing, one of the. So here biggest, what is the comparative degree of biggest? Bigger. The rat is not bigger than some other animals. Okay, the rat is not bigger than some other animals. Same thing in positive degree. So all of you know very well that when we try to make positive degree, we start from the last. What is the plural now? Animal. So before animal we can write here some. So some animals are at least. Some animals are at least as big as the rat. So here in negative sentence we use some or at least. Clear my friend? So let's see. Big Bazaar is not the largest of all supermarkets. So first of all we are going to make comparative degree. So Big Bazaar is not. Big Bazaar is not. Now that largest or larger than. Big Bazaar is not larger than some other supermarkets. Okay, my dear friends, so I have added something new, that is some other. Now, here, first of all, we try to make comparative degree. Okay, now comparative degree. Peter was not the most splendid of all contestants. So first of all, Peter was not the most splendid, more splendid. Okay, Peter was not the most splendid. So Peter was not more splendid than some other contestants. Contestants. Okay, so here I add some other. Now next, comparative degree. Hercules was not the bravest of all the warriors. So Hercules was not, bravest का comparative degree braver than. Hercules was not braver than some other warriors. That is the comparative degree. Now we are going to make positive degree. So before we start to make positive degree, we have to write it down some. Now what is the plural noun? Supermarket. So some supermarkets are at least as large as big bazaar. Okay. Next, Peter was not the most splendid of all contestants. Peter was not more splendid than some other contestants. So very few contestants are at least as splendid as Peter. Okay. Very few, not very few, some, sorry, here we can write some contestants are at least as splendid as Peter. Hercules was not the bravest of all. So some warriors are at least as brave as Hercules. So we add here some other warriors at least as brave as Hercules. So the structure is different here of negative sentence. So you please remember the structure. Okay. Now you can write.